Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge beeping error. This issue usually happens when a website triggers repeated sound alerts or when browser extensions or corrupted data interfere with audio and notifications. First, restart Microsoft Edge in your PC, completely close your browser, and restart your system to clear any temporary glitches. Now go ahead and open Microsoft Edge and mute the tab that is causing the beeping. For example, if a particular tab is causing the beeping, right-click on the tab and choose Mute Tab. You can also press Ctrl-M on your keyboard to mute it. After that, clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on your keyboard, then select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and click Clear Now. Once that is done, disable all extensions in the settings. Just go to Extensions. Make sure all of your extensions are disabled. After that, go back to Settings and open About Microsoft Edge. Let it check for updates and install them if available, then restart your browser. Finally, check notification permissions, go to Privacy and then Site Permissions. Open all sites and remove or block any suspicious or unknown websites. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Microsoft Edge beeping error by restarting the browser, muting tabs, clearing cache, disabling extensions, updating Edge, and managing notification permissions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.